In example 4, we're going to change our focus and our method for solving problems a little bit. In this example, we're going to start with 1 5/10 divided into 5 groups. The way we want to think about this though now is 1 5/10 we can really think about as 15/10 divided into 5 groups. So now we're looking at this in unit form. So we can say 15 divided by 5 is 3, and that unit is tenths. So we can say that 1 5/10 divided by 5 is 3/10. So sometimes when we break things down into unit form, it makes it slightly easier for us. In example 5, we're going to try this in a little bit more complex. So in example 5, we're going to have 3 15 thousandths divided again into 5 groups. This time we want to think about how can we break this number into units that are going to evenly divide into this 5. So I'm going to chunk this into 2 parts. I'm going to say I have 30/10 divided into 5 groups plus 15 thousandths divided into 5 groups. So 30/10 divided by 5, so 3 divided by 5 is 6, and those units are tenths, plus 15 divided by 5 is 3, and those units are thousandths. So when I go to write that in standard form, I have 0 wholes, I have 6/10, I don't have anything in my hundredths place, and I have 3 thousandths. So when I chunk this into groups, I can make this problem easier for myself. And we're going to show that in example 6, we're going to see this in one more different way today. So in example 6, we're going to compare 2 different ways of looking at a problem. So here we're going to compare the problem 4 8/100 divided by 8 is equal to 51/100. And then we're going to have 408 divided by 8 is equal to 51. So when we think about that, we want to think about the relationships here. So because 4 8/100, our answer is truly ending in that hundredths place, right? 408, our answer is ending in that ones place. So sometimes we can think about this whole number to help arrive at that answer in decimal form. So we want to think about, maybe we want to draw a thought bubble. What do we know about whole numbers so sometimes our knowledge of whole numbers can help us when we're solving our decimal problems.